First launched in the early 1980s, the Yamaha Xt 600 is one of the most iconic dual-sport motorcycles ever created. The motorcycle was designed as a versatile vehicle capable of conquering a variety of terrains from highways, to dirt tracks, to deserts. The Yamaha Xt 600 is not just a motorcycle, but a symbol of limitless adventure and freedom on the road. The Xt 600 model was born from the success of the Yamaha Xt 500, which won the Paris-Dakar Rally in the late 1970s. The Xt 600 takes that legacy to new heights with a more powerful engine, a 595 cubic centimeters 4-stroke single-cylinder, as well as a lighter frame and suspension designed to adapt to extreme conditions. One of the most famous variants of the Xt 600 is the Yamaha Xt 600 Tenere, which was introduced in 1983. The name Tenere is derived from the African desert, reflecting the bike's ability to navigate even the most difficult terrain. The Xt 600 Tenere is equipped with a large fuel tank, ergonomic design, and exceptional durability, making it a favorite among rally riders and adventure enthusiasts. To this day, the Yamaha Xt 600 is remembered as the bike that paved the way for a new generation of dual-sport motorcycles. With its combination of reliability, versatility, and adventurous spirit, the Xt 600 not only made history in the automotive world, but also left a lasting legacy in the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. After weeks of perfecting the design and testing, Moly Motorcycle is proud to announce the new Yamaha Xt 600 Tenere Kit, designed to bring back the timeless appeal of the Xt 600 to the modern world. The kit will officially launch in early January and is now available for pre-order. To test its capabilities to the fullest, an epic ride with Tiago ribeiro through various terrains, dirt tracks, gravel, sand, and ending with an amazing night ride in the middle of the city. Every kilometer of the ride proved what it was trying to achieve. A T7 that is ready for any environment and any adventure. This kit isn't just an update, it's a celebration of exploration, freedom, and the joy of riding. Whether you're exploring remote trails or traversing city streets, the new T7 is ready to take you on with uncompromising style and performance. Retro throwback is back. Are you ready to ride into the future with a touch of the past?